Google Chrome is one of the fastest browsers out there, until it's not. After weeks of use, it starts to lag, tabs freeze, and pages take forever to load. But what if I told you there are hidden settings inside Chrome that can make it blazing fast again? They're called Chrome flags, and today, I'll show you the secret ones that actually boost performance. Before we start flipping switches, let's understand what Chrome flags are. They're experimental features Google hides deep inside the browser, not visible in normal settings. You can access them by typing this in the address bar: Chrome//flags. Here, you'll see hundreds of features you can turn on or off. But don't worry, I'll show you only the safe and powerful ones that speed things up. First, turn on parallel downloading. This feature splits large files into smaller chunks and downloads them simultaneously, just like a download accelerator. Search for parallel downloading in the flags page, enable it, and relaunch Chrome. You'll notice faster download speeds right away, especially on slower connections. Next, enable GPU Rasterization. Normally, Chrome uses your CPU to render web pages, which can make it lag when too many tabs are open. By turning on GPU Rasterization, Chrome uses your graphics card to handle visuals and animations, making scrolling, video playback, and page rendering feel buttery smooth. Finally, enable the experimental QUIC protocol. This is a new, faster internet protocol developed by Google. It reduces connection time between your browser and websites, especially when loading multiple elements like images and scripts. Turn it on, restart Chrome, and you'll instantly feel pages loading faster than before. So here's a quick recap. 1. Parallel downloading, for faster file downloads. 2. GPU Rasterization, for smoother performance. 3. Experimental QUIC protocol, for quicker website loading. All you need to do is visit Chrome//flags, enable these 3, and restart Chrome. That's it, you've just unlocked Chrome's hidden speed boosters. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.